Friends, welcome back to the channel. Here is a very important and useful update for all CMA students. Institute has earlier announced regarding student service window. Now it is active in ICMAI website. Let us see what is this and how to use this student service window. Institute website, you are seeing examination. Tap on that. Again tap on blue color examination department service request link. Click on the service request form. CMA students having any doubt regarding CMA examination pattern, for example while filling the examination form you have any doubts like exam payment deducted but the exam form did not get submitted, so such type of things and any other matter you can ask in this portal. Department will respond to your query and will reply you. Student have to select that you are CMA student and also registration number, name, course, email ID, mobile number, service request type you have to select, whether you are having online examination form or duplicate certificate result and verification related you are seeing in this list. You can select any of them. List is showing final examination, foundation, intermediate. You can ask the query relating to them, and if it is any other matter you can select the option other. Then enter the request in detail, write the matter what you are having the doubt, and if you have any screenshot then you can also upload as a document and then tap on the save button. Filling this form you will get a number. Using that number you can check the status. So here it is showing service request number and also student of the institute, registration number, name, course, mobile number, and reply to the student. Examination department has responded to your query and given reply, then you can check here.